Maya, good morning and thank you for your time. I mean, you may have rather opted for the home loan payment holiday offered by the bank, but do you know how much it will actually cost you and how much longer it will take for you to pay it off?
Well, you know, on this show, I warned everybody not to take the payment holiday unless they absolutely had to, that it was imperative. Because this was not a holiday. This was, well, it was like a real holiday where you actually have to pay for the holiday. Nedbank actually sent out a press release showing that if you say, for example, had R1 million home loan, you were 5 years into your home loan, and you took that 3-month payment holiday, it extended your loan period by 14 months. Not by 3 months, by 14 months, because remember, the interest is capitalized, and the actual cost was 106,000 Rand extra in interest that you will end up paying. So the advice really from Nedbank, and I think this is good advice, that's why I wanted to share it, is that in a year's time, when you've got back on your feet, try immediately to start increasing your repayments. If, for example, you immediately increased your repayments by 5%, you would pay off the loan in its original period of time. In fact, you'd probably pay it off about 5 months earlier than you would have even if you had not taken the debt repayment. Another great strategy, maybe in a year's time you don't have that extra 5% to add to your mortgage, but each year you commit to increasing your mortgage repayment by just 1% extra. You will actually end up paying off your home loan 9 months earlier than you would have even originally, and there will be no extra cost to you of taking that payment break. So I think it's really important, yes, if you needed the payment break, you took it, but as soon as you're back on your feet and you're able to start repaying that as quickly as possible.
So what then do you need to do to make sure that you pay off the house in the original loan period?
Yeah, so as I said, that was, you do really need to go and speak to the bank. You can actually just simply pay in extra every month. So you could just say, well, I'm going to, when I've got a little bit of extra cash, I'm going to pay it in. Or you can actually give the bank an instruction. You can say to the bank, I want you to start taking off, instead of 9,600, I want you to start taking off 10,100 Rand a month. So you can actually give that instruction to the bank as well to set your repayment at that rate.
All right, Maya, that's where we'll leave it. Thank you so much for this. Maya Fisher-French joining us here on ENCA.